De Carthg AD, tá Éireann mar gréasáin de ríthe. San éarthar, rialaíonn Tadhg Mór O'Kelly, rí de íomháine, le haghaidh 9,500,000 tá a talamh cuinithe aige. Tá Tadhg Mór ceangailte leis an rí ord nua, Brian Boru. Chomhthuailíocht a bhfuil dúnta go deangainn i bósa agus cothaithe i gcoga, ach níl an obair chríochnaithe fós. Tá na riachtaí de Lion agus baile á Thia tar éis éirí amach, caithfidh an céim dearnach de Éireann Aontaithe a bheith tógtha i bhfuil. Ghearn Brian Boru chomhthuailí le haghaidh cá amháin dearnach. Freagrúigh Tadhg Mór é, tógfaí sé a bheirt murcha agus cruthaír leis an trid ar a thaobh.
On the eve of battle, Malachy, the former High King and old rival to Brian Boru, offers Tadhg riches and honours to stay his men, to stand aside as he plans to when the battle begins. But Tadhg Mór refuses. His men are the wild men of Connacht. They will not break their word. I will not abandon my chief. Good Friday, 1014. The lines crash. The Dalgash against the foreign Vikings. The men of Connacht against the Dublin Norse. All day the lines lock. No tactics, no cavalry, just infantry, hacking at close quarters, a swaying human tide. His son Murca falls. Tadhg Mór pays the ultimate price, and he erupts. Rodir the Viking finds Brian's tent and murders the High King. Fighting his way through, Tadhg Mór meets Droghorban O'Connor, the King of Offaly. They fight and fall as one. As sunset falls, a roar is heard. The Anku, the mythical beast, rises from the sea to protect the fallen body of Tadhg Mór. His king's men retrieve him, and his son Conor lays him to rest at Clontarf, the ancient burial place of his people. Ever since the Anku is on the crest of the O'Kelly clan, and Tadhg Mór is known as Tadhg Catha Bhriain, Tadhg of the Battle of Bhriain.